In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Roblox an unexpected error occurred updated version. Now the first thing we want to try is search for Task Manager, and we want to forcefully remove the Roblox if it's running. So go to Details, press Name, press R, and if you see anything with Roblox you want to click on it and end the task. And this is gonna turn off the Roblox, so just do that real quick. Once you've done that, try and launch and see if it works now. If you still get the error, come here and search for run, type %local app data %, press enter, and then what you want to do is you want to find your Roblox folder. So mine is right here, open it, and then you want to find versions and you want to delete the versions right here. Don't worry, it's gonna regenerate itself, but just delete this one. After you've done that, close it down. Then if it's still not working, what you can try is you can try and open up the Microsoft Store. Try and download Roblox from in here and try and launch the game from the Microsoft Store and see if that works. If it's still not working, there's one last thing that we can try. Open up CMD, right click, run as an administrator. In here type ipconfig space /flush DNS. After that type netsh winsock reset. Once you've done this, try and restart your PC and now it should work. If it's still not working, the last thing you can do is you can try and uninstall Roblox. So just search for apps and features, search for Roblox, uninstall, and then try and reinstall it. You can try and reinstall it from the web page, and you can also try from the Microsoft Store. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.